everyone, it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my top 6 favorite polishes for summer from Zoya. As you probably well know, Zoya is my favorite nail polish brand. I talk about them all the time, so it was actually really hard for me to narrow these polishes down to just 6, but I picked my top 6 favorite polishes for summer that I know I'm going to use a ton this season. And this video is a collaboration with Callie from 360nails, so if you'd like to check out her channel and her video, I will have all the links in the description box. So let's get right into it. The first 3 polishes I have to share with you are from the brand new Splash collection that Zoya just came out with for this season, and I picked out the 3 that I know I'm going to wear a ton this summer. I honestly love the whole collection, but these 3 were just kind of unique to me and I was really excited about them. So the first one is Leilani, and this is a stunning bright pink fuchsia base polish with a ton of beautiful gold shimmer. I've already worn this one. We had a really sunny day the other day and I just wanted to throw this one on because I knew it had beautiful sparkle, and I love seeing shimmer and sparkle in the sun. So I will leave some pictures of this polish in the sun so you can see it because it's absolutely stunning. It has a fantastic formula and it is really unique to my collection. eabnailart did a comparisons video of all the polishes in the new Splash collection, and there were some like maybe similar to this polish, but this one really stood out as being really unique, and at least it is in my collection as well. And I just really love this color. It kind of blew me away how much I was going to like it. I didn't think I was going to like this one as much as I did, and the fact that I've already worn this and I can't wait to wear it again is just making me really happy, and I love this polish for summer. The next polish is Emma, and this is a stunning coral polish. I'm a huge sucker for peaches and corals for summer especially, and so when I saw this one in the Splash collection, I was so excited. This one just is fantastic. It has a beautiful formula. If you have any polishes from Zoya, especially their cream polishes, you know that they have an amazing buttery smooth formula, super easy to work with. So this one's going to be really easy to paint on the nails. Also really great if you want to incorporate it into some nail art. And this one isn't like horribly unique to my collection. I do have a lot of peaches and corals because I love wearing them, but the fact that it is from Zoya, because Zoya is my favorite brand, makes me really excited about this one. And if you are in the market for a good peach or coral polish, this is the one for you. The last polish favorite I have from the Zoya Splash collection is Zoya Harbor, and this one, especially when I saw the first marketing images for this collection, I could not wait to get this polish because my favorite color is green, and I love greenish blue polishes like this, especially for summer, and I was so excited to test this one out. Now this one is like really unique to my collection. I have a lot of like bluish green polishes kind of similar, but nothing exactly quite like this. Again, it has that beautiful buttery smooth creamy formula to work with, really super easy to paint on the nails, and it's just such a stunning gorgeous color. The next 3 polishes are like my tried and true favorites for summer. I know that I wore these a ton last summer, and I know that I'll be getting a ton of use with them this summer because I just love these colors, and they are probably some of my like top favorite polishes ever. Also, if you want to check out my top 10 Zoya favorites video, again, click the card on the top right hand corner of your screen and you can check out that video because I go through my top 10 favorite Zoya polishes just in general, but since it is summertime, I want to go through like some polishes that are a little bit different for summer. So the first one is Zoya Virginia. This is a stunning bright red cream polish. I just really love this one. I think it looks really beautiful on the nail. I love wearing red nail polishes, but for summer this is just kind of like a different variation on a red polish. It has a little bit more pink in it. It's not like a super true red polish, but it just looks stunning. It's perfect for summer, great for nail art as well, and it's just, yeah, really fun to wear. You can also do like watermelon nail art, but for this one I feel like it's a perfect watermelon red polish. So I love Zoya Virginia. I've worn it a ton in years past ever since I got this polish, so I know that this one's a great one. I also basically have it on my toes all summer round. That's how much I love this one. And then Zoya B is part of my top 10 favorite Zoya polishes of all time, probably one of my top 10 favorite polishes ever. It is the most perfect yellow polish. I can't get enough of yellow nail polish. I think it's so perfect. I love yellow, I love wearing yellow. I think it looks good with my skin tone, and I love wearing yellow nail polish just because it really complements me very well, at least I think. And this one is the best yellow polish out there. I freaking love this one, and it only needs 2 coats to be completely opaque. It's just that perfect buttery, creamy, smooth formula. I think this was from the summer collection last year, so it is a relatively new polish, but it is just so fantastic, and I pretty much wear this one almost all year round. I wear it all the time in the summer, I wear it all the time in the spring, and I probably would wear this one in the fall and winter too, just because that's how much I love it. Even though I love matching my polish colors to the season, I just can't get enough of this yellow polish. In fact, I'm like halfway through this bottle and I'm going to need another bottle, because also I do my friends' nails a lot, especially when I was back at school, and they loved this yellow polish as well because that's how good it is. So I actually need another bottle of this. That's how much I love it, and it's so perfect for summer. Yellow just means sun and happiness, at least I think, so you need this one if you don't have it already. And then the last polish I have is Zoya Eleni, and this is just a really fun, like, Robin's eggshell blue. I love this one for spring and I love it for summer. Again, like I said, I love matching my polish colors to the season, and this just makes me really happy. It makes me think of spring and summer. I love how it is unique as well. I have done like a blue comparisons video, like a light blue comparisons polish video on my channel, so if you want to check out that video as well, you can see how this polish compares to a few others, but it really stands out on its own. It's not super similar to any other polish. It's pretty unique, and it has, again, just an amazing formula. Even if you have polishes that are similar to this one, Zoya's formulas are what kind of put them over the edge for me, at least in other brands that I've experienced, because 2 coats completely opaque, and I just think it's fantastic. The wearability is excellent, and it's just a really amazing polish. I love this one. Again, I think this one came out a year or 2 years ago, but I've used it a ton. I wear it a lot, and I just love the way it looks on my nails, and it's so pretty and perfect for summer. So that is it for my top 6 favorite polishes from Zoya for summer. A huge shout out to Callie from 360nails for inviting me to do this collab with her. Don't forget to check out her video on her channel. Again, the links will be in the description box. I think it's really fun to see what other people's favorites are, especially from Zoya, since they are my favorite brand. And I know I've said it a million times, but Zoya just really is a great brand. They are vegan, cruelty-free, they are 10-free, they have amazing formulas that last really long on the nail, and they have a ton of colors to choose from on their website. I think they have over 500 shades, so there has to be something for everyone. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm actually really close to 10,000 subscribers, and I'm really hoping that we can do it by the end of summer. So be sure to share this video with someone that might enjoy it, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I will be doing some fun giveaways, things like that, for when I hit 10,000 subscribers. So you won't want to miss out on that, and hopefully you enjoy my videos. So thank you so much for the support, thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite polishes from Zoya are for summertime. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!